Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to DSLRBooth. First, ensure your printer's drivers are fully installed and updated on your computer, a critical initial step. Next, we will navigate through DSLRBooth software settings, selecting your printer and configuring its basic options. This setup takes just a few moments. Finally, you will learn to test your new print setup, making sure everything prints perfectly and reliably for all your upcoming events. You will achieve consistent, high-quality prints. Before launching DSLRBooth, it is vital to install the correct printer drivers from your manufacturer's website. Ensure the printer is securely connected, either by USB cable or through your local network, and that it has power. Open your computer's printer settings and print a test page. This confirms your operating system can communicate properly with the printer. This simple check prevents many common issues later on. Now, open your DSLRBooth software and navigate directly to the Settings menu, typically found in the top right corner. Within Settings, you will find a Printing tab. Click on this. Here, you will see a drop-down list of all installed printers on your system. Select the correct printer, then specify your chosen paper size and orientation to match your media. This step links your software to your hardware. For optimal print quality, fine-tune your settings within DSLRBooth. Adjust the print margins carefully to prevent any cutoffs and ensure your design fits beautifully on the paper. Set the print quantity for each session. Often 1 or 2 copies are ideal for events. If your printer supports it, explore using custom color profiles. These can significantly enhance color accuracy, giving your photos a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.